Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Eli and welcome back to my channel for another video. On today's video, we're going to take a look at the Canon M50 and see why it could be a good option for your YouTube channel.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry, I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz, put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot overheated.
At the time of filming this video, there's plenty other cameras out there that you can get for your YouTube channel. But most of them do require you to have a little bit more money than you would need for the Canon M50. And also, I believe there's already Canon M50 Mark II that's already out right now that you can go out and buy. But if you already do have the Canon M50, the new features, in my opinion, are not worth the upgrade. So what exactly makes the Canon M50 the perfect companion for a small YouTuber? Stay tuned to find out. Before we get into this video, make sure you drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. We are trying to bring you guys more content, and for that, we do need your help. The way you can help is down in the description. I am going to post my Amazon affiliate link, which you can use to get any product that you want. In turn, we'll get a small commission, which will be invested back into this channel. I'm also gonna link down a link for the M50 and also the M50 Mark II, and you can take a look at them and see which one that you would want to go with. Now, let's take a look at what the M50 have that makes it a perfect companion for a small YouTuber. Number one is the price point. For less than $700, you can get the body, you can get a kit lens, you can get a carrying bag, a tripod, as well as other accessories. At that price point, there's not a lot of cameras out there that would give you all the features of the M50, as well as all those little accessories that come with it. Number two is the quality. For such a small little camera, the quality that comes out of this camera is pretty awesome. You can get 4K at 24 FPS, you can get 1080p at up to 60 FPS if you want to do slow motion. And if you want to take it even further, you can get 720p at 120 FPS. That is insane for such a small little camera. Now, one of the biggest downside with this camera is the 4K 24 frame. And as you will see in a lot of reviews, the 4K is very cropped in. And for a mirrorless camera with a smaller frame than your regular DSLR, it's already cropped in enough. So when you do switch it to 4K, it's cropped in even further, which makes it, in most cases, the 4K is not even usable, but there are ways to work around that to be able to get usable footage with the 4K at 24 frame. As a matter of fact, this entire video is being shot in 4K. So you guys be the judge and let me know what you think about the quality of this camera, especially when it comes to shooting in 4K. And yes, I am using the kit lens with that. Another feature that is super useful for a YouTuber, especially for somebody who's filming by yourself, is that flip out screen. With the flip out screen, you are able to see exactly what you are filming so you can frame your shot perfectly without any trouble. A lot of cameras have that flip up screen, which is useful, but it does get in the way of certain things that you might want to take advantage of. And personally, I like the way that the M50 have it flipped on the side. Another great feature that this camera has that just makes it perfect for a small YouTuber is its autofocus. For an entry-level camera, the M50 has one of the best autofocus out there. Now, the downside to that is when you are shooting in 4K, you lose that autofocus, that dual pixel autofocus, which makes the autofocusing essentially suck. So you do have to switch to manual mode to be able to get the perfect focus. But if you are shooting in 1080p or 720p, then the autofocus is just awesome in that. And YouTube already condensed your files down to 1080p anyway, so shooting in 1080p to start with may not even be a bad thing. And lastly, this camera does have a microphone input. And as you can see, I am using a lavalier microphone to pick up my voice. And that is what you're listening to right now. That is coming straight from the Canon M50. That is just awesome for somebody who's just looking to set up and start shooting and get your video out as quick as possible. If you are looking into getting the M50, those are the features that you have to look forward for. While filming the video, the camera did die on me, which brings me to 2 pro tips for you guys who's looking into getting the Canon M50. Number one is get yourself extra batteries because the battery life on this camera sucks. while that's not really something that should deter you from getting this camera, unless you're planning on shooting hour-long videos, which I don't think it does anyways, getting extra batteries is just gonna be more beneficial for you. That way you don't have to sit down and wait for your one battery to recharge before you can resume your filming. And also, if you're looking to film your videos in 4K, this camera has one feature that would make it easier for you to do. That is by downloading the Canon app to monitor what you are seeing. And that is all I have for you guys today. So if you did enjoy this content, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. And I will see you next time for the next video.
Yeah, this ain't money, don't grow on trees, so I'm supposed to get some honeys. If I ain't thuggin', I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case, yeah. Money and everything.